In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Roblox cannot see notification. The first thing you want to do is check your Roblox server status. Simply go to status.roblox.com and see if the official server is having any outages. Then the other thing you want to do is check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can block notifications, so try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and enable the in-app notifications. Go to more and then settings and notification and make sure that the in-app is enabled. Once you've done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and enable notification for Roblox in your device as well, and make sure that DND or focus mode is not turned on. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your email notifications or even update your Roblox application. And if nothing was, try reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment